The Wales Millennium Centre has been closed for over a year now. What's amazing is we can now go in and see the Your Voice exhibition. Come with me. Hello.
So we've got 7 exciting galleries showing over 400 pieces of work, and they range in themes from protest to storytellers, from journey to community.
I cannot wait to see it all. This is so exciting, first person on the board. I am surrounded by these images, which are all photographs taken during the Black Lives Matter protest. Incredibly moving and powerful images. Now this is fun. When I look back over the pandemic, I think of the fun ways that we entertained ourselves at home. This part of the exhibition truly highlights that. I'm in the main theatre now, and this is really exciting for me. I mean, wow! A local artist named Flo has spent months crocheting this incredibly colossal tree. The piece features artworks from the local community that was sent into Flo, with the main theme being pattern and how we as people have had our patterns changed due to the pandemic.